So as a studio, we get very involved in using tech and apps and software to improve our design product development, to make sure that the quality is there and it's accurate and it's delivered on time. It's very key for us and for our clients.
As a design practice, we have unlimited creativity and we're constantly thinking of so many different ideas. But at the same time, it's really important that we think of these things in practical terms and how they're actually going to get built and how we're going to make them.
And make sure when the team's put together for that project that we've got the skill set and the right people on the team that have the efficiency and have the creativity, and we kind of match them together and we oversee the process.
There's never a design here that's done by any single person. So it's always done by a group of people. You know, we may have one person who's leading it, one person who perhaps started and broke the back of the concept. But as that design develops, it gets seen by a lot of people in our office, and not just in one studio. We work between both studios. So there's always a number of people. We always try and keep a higher quantity of young people in the office. That also helps. They're always questioning, why aren't you doing it in this new way? It's about listening to that, taking it seriously.
People think that architecture is very, you sit there like an artist with a paintbrush and you're painting and sketching. It's very far from that. I think there's a lot of calculation, there's a lot of experience that you need to get over the years to really understand how these buildings are put together. And I think your efficiency as an architect, how to make things well and right, happens many years later in your career.
So we embrace innovation in everything that we do, but at the same time, these projects always have so many constraints within them because of the practicalities of getting them built that we're always working between the balance of the two. I think as designers, we always gravitate towards innovation to begin with. It's where we start. But then over time, we also have a lot of experience in doing this. So we realize where we can push the boundaries in terms of innovation and where we can't.
That's what comes up with creative solutions. If it was simple, it was just all we have to do here is be creative and it doesn't need to be practical, there won't be any depth to that. It will look applied. That's the beauty of architecture. It can't just be purely creative. It has to work as well, and it informs people's lives.